Are you next?
No one's going up until we're doing the cables right now.
Oh, you're building the cables. You're the guys.
We're putting them up. Yeah.
You're putting it up?
Yeah. Once everybody comes down, then you guys can do whatever you guys want.
Yeah. Do you need a hook or something? Some kind of think the strap to clip to the cable or?
We do because we're working.
Yeah,
we
you
have to stay clipped in.
But
some people don't clip in, some people don't. Even when the cables are down, you could do it without.
Yeah.
If you're feeling strong enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah, I think it might be
The info. Until 2, maybe, yeah.
Till 2,
yeah.
Give or take. You coming all the way barefoot, or?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to Cloud's Rest now.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, I'm happy with this. I don't need to go up there.
Yeah. Well, Cloud's Rest is a good view. You know, you're higher and you get the that in your backdrop. You know.
Yeah. You can see it from up there.
Look a little way up that way.
Mm.
Yeah, the other day I did just like 8 miles on the beach barefoot, and like I hadn't been walking and doing anything, and then like
8 miles on the beach.
I got
Which beach?
Big blisters, just like by a bay or something. But normally I could do like 10 miles or something on the beach with barefoot, but it's like.
Oh, but the beach is nice.
My feet were babies. I was pretty lazy over the winter. Where'd you come from today? All the way down the valley, or?
Yeah. Yeah, I had to bike because it's just a mess. This park is a mess to park.
Yeah.
So I'm parked between the Capitan and the Cathedral, right there in that junction.
Yeah.
Brought the bike all the way here and then just started hiking.
Triathlon, huh?
Yeah.
Good time of year for the
Less people here for sure.
Yeah.
And then maybe later jump into the water from the bridge.
Yeah.
And in that spot there's a bridge.
Down
in the junction between those two rocks.
Yeah.
And you can like jump from the there's
cap.
Yeah, it's like nice. It's like a built bridge with like 2 huge wooden like beams, yeah. And then you can just stand on it and just jump into the water.
The Sentinel, or is like where the road goes over, where they like right by El Cap?
Yeah, right there.
Okay, yeah.
Because it's like you have that junction, a lot of parking space. You can see both mountains, and then behind that, there's like a whole little forest area that takes you to a picnic area, or the cathedral.
Yeah.
So you have that. You have the Merced going there.
Yeah.
Merced.
I'm not gonna walk. Are you cool if I just take a couple pictures without anyone on it?
Yeah, go for it.
You gonna climb?
What's up? Not yet. Are you guys pretty much done?
They gotta go up. There's like a whole other section that you can't see from here.
Okay.
So I think they're getting close.
You guys don't want like a lunch break?
Well, we don't do lunch breaks until we're done. I did a lunch break because I'm done for the day. But